Hey there, and thank you for gifting yourself these next few minutes. Allowing yourself this short time to focus on yourself, of setting the intention for the day, will create a positive, relaxed, successful and mindful tone for the rest of your day. You can do this meditation anywhere. All you need is yourself. So allow yourself to be at ease for the duration of this session. Stretch your body and enjoy the feeling that there's nothing to know and nothing to do. For these minutes, you have everything you need, and it's just about you. So gently close your eyes and turn your attention to your breathing. Take a deep breath in through your nose and hold it. 1, 2, 3, and slowly let it out through your mouth. Take another deep breath in through your nose and feel your lungs expand. And hold it. 1, 2, 3, and slowly let it out through your mouth. And again, take a deep breath through your nose and hold it. 1, 2, 3, and slowly let it out through your mouth. It's life that's breathing through you and with you. Feel the aliveness of your body. Tune into it. Notice how it feels. If there's any tension or stiffness or pain in your body, give those areas permission to relax. Thank your body for doing all the necessary and miraculous things so you can experience life on this planet. Maybe your mind starts to wander off. Just notice it and bring your attention back to your body, using your breath as your anchor. Now try to remember one thing, one event, one person that made you smile. It might be a small thing, like laughing about your cat, or a bigger story, like a friend who visited you unexpectedly. When you found something that made you appreciative, or thankful, or smiling, just dive into this feeling. Breathing it in, so you become this feeling from your head to your toes. There is no separation. You are these feelings. And now send a loving and caring smile to your heart. If you want and can, you can also put one or both hands on your heart. Now picture yourself walking through this day with loving and caring feelings. This connection to your heart. If you want, you can think about one thing you would love to do today, a deep heart desire. Maybe drinking a hot chocolate by the fire, embracing a tree, listening to the birds, or maybe reading some pages from a favourite book, or being effective at your work. Imagine yourself doing it. Breathe this image in. See all the details, the temperature, the sounds, and the smells. Enjoy it. And now your deepest breath. Sending that breath through your entire body and exhale out. And in your own time, gently open your eyes and enjoy the rest of your day.